Hey there, AscendTMS gang. It's your favorite AscendTMS guru, Cam, coming at you live, well, recorded live, with an AscendTMS release highlight. We're going to cover the past few releases over the last 30 days or so, because we know you're too busy destroying your coworkers at arcade games to read those pesky release notes that come out. But enough of all that, let's go ahead and get right into these wonderful new features, enhancement, and fixes. Okay, so I have 12 driver pay updates to fill you in on, starting with that driver pay is now located in your accounting tab. And of course, with huge updates, we've also added new permissions and AWE rules specific to driver pay, with a slew of customizations like your pay periods, pay items, and deductions. You can also update your pay statuses in bulk now, which can obviously save you some precious time during payroll. We even offer you actions at the load level, that way you can do what you need no matter what screen you're on. Lastly, if you haven't already, you can migrate from the existing driver pay system just by following our migration wizard, which is only a few steps. Of course, we've made other changes like the enhancements to the Ascend portal and EDI, while fixing a few issues with MCP and an issue where standard users couldn't update the branch of an entity, and squashed a few other pesky gremlins as well. A link of the full release notes will be in the description below if you want to read them, that is. Well, that pretty much sums it up for us here at AscendTMS. We are working diligently around the clock to get you the features you ask us for and make the changes you need to make your day smooth sailing. Make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel to get your release highlights monthly, as well as our other training, how-to, and announcements the day that they happen. If you have any questions or want to schedule some training with our amazing support team members to learn any of these new features or enhancements, feel free to email us at support@inmotionglobal.com.